ChatGPT is no longer a chatbot anymore, and I think by now we should all know that. But if you don't, that's why this video is for you. So I want you to stick around. Um, ChatGPT can do a lot of things now. It can browse your web, it can help you remember your work, it can organize your projects, it can even run codes, it can even control your whole computer. So I still know that some of you still make use of it like Google, just checking basic um asking basic questions and giving it, and it will respond and give you your answers. But it has gone past that, and that's what we're going to be breaking down in this video. And in this video I'll be showing you the features that you can take advantage of as you make use of ChatGPT. Don't just use it anymore as your basic um Google tool. It's not, it does much more than that. And this video is for everybody, for entrepreneurs, for freelancers, for business persons, for sales, for whatever field you work in. ChatGPT, these features are going to help you a lot to stay organized and um, ask the relevant questions and all of that. So let's just get straight into it. First of all, what we need to do is to log in. It's just a simple login. You just make use of whatever way you want to log in. I'll be picking a Google account. Then yes, now this is the dashboard for ChatGPT. So we're going to be using the free version, and to be honest, the free version is all you need to for whatever thing you are doing, except you want maybe in-depth data analysis and you don't want the features. It has a daily limit, so if you don't want, but I believe that everything you want to do for a particular day, the daily limit is sufficient for you to do whatever. So this on the top right corner, it's the new chat. This is where you can begin your chat. Maybe this is what most of us use. You can just go ahead and type um, meaning of sales funnel. So this is what we basically do with it at the moment. But this is not all there is to ChatGPT. The next icon is search chat. So any chat that you have worked on with ChatGPT is going to, you can search for it here. But on what I'm going to be showing you, you would not want to need this because there's an icon where all these things will be organized. Then library. This library usually contains any files that ChatGPT has generated for you. Let's say it generated an image for you. Let's say it did a data analysis and brought out some files. You would see all the informations here on the library, all the files here on the library. Then for projects, this project is where I actually want us to make use of, especially for us as business owners, as 9 to 5, any work, any job you do. I want you to make use of this project. As a student, also, especially, I want you to make use of this project. So, what this project does is that it helps you organize all your dealings. Let's say, for example, you have a project in mind, and your project is you want to market a product, and you ask ChatGPT for steps, guides on, or to give you 10 marketing topics that you can use to generate your marketing strategies. All you need to do, just make use of these projects. Instead of you creating new charts and new charts and new charts, ChatGPT would not know you at that time because it keeps getting fresh memories and prompts of you. But when you create a project, what it does is that for that particular project that you're working on, as you keep giving it prompts, it's already aware of the first information you have given it. So everything, any answers is going to be giving you out, it would be from all the information that you have relayed to it about what you are working on. Let's just begin. Let's create a project new. Okay, let's say I have a project on marketing campaign for a biscuits business. Markets strategies for my biscuits. Let's say the biscuits name is called Pure Bis. We create the project. So then you can start your chat. You can start your chat here. I have an idea of doing a 30 days market outreach and publicity for my new biscuits product called Pure Bliss. Give me 10 marketing strategies on how to go about it. Then you send prompts. So it's going to give you all the options. It's going to give you the answers as usual. Then you can pick which you want to make use of. So with this now, if I go and I come back like in 30 days or 50 days or in months, and I still want to go back and refer on this particular thing, I just need to go back to projects, click on it. I would see all the informations that it has created, and everything is still intact. So that's what the project does. And another thing also that I want to show us is the apps. So the apps, what it does is, this is the aspect that can take control over your whole computer. So what this app does is that you can connect ChatGPT to your apps. And you can prompt it from this ChatGPT platform. I can go on Canva now. Let's click on Canva. You can see it's showing us connect. You can see ask Canva to create on brand social posts, presentations, marketing materials, or other visual assets based on your current conversations. Then continue editing together in the chat. So you can see you can prompt your Canva through ChatGPT, and Canva will be creating the image and will deliver it on ChatGPT that you're already on. So it even saves you the stress of navigating from one app to another. All you just need to do is click on connect. You connect your Canva to it. It has literally almost every app here on it. Lifestyle, lifestyle, productivity. So so for these ones now, for business owners or for business owners, for workers that maybe you have some particular tools you use for your business, let's say for sales people, you make use of tools like Apollo, we make use of tools of like Notions and Calendly, Outlook, calendars, and all of that. So we can make use of ChatGPT by connecting those apps with it and prompt it to make your job easier and faster. Okay, here now you can see Apollo. Let's see what it says. So Apollo MCP connector lets ChatGPT safely work inside your Apollo workspace to accelerate prospecting and outbound execution. Search and qualify accounts and contacts using Apollo's data, enrich records, summarize key contents, and take actions. So you can give it a prompt of your target audience to help you filter, and ChatGPT is going to do all that and provide it all for you. So same thing goes for all other apps, all other applications. You can just connect any of your apps that you use on daily basis for your businesses, and instead of navigating here and there to get answers from different apps, you can just do it all in one in ChatGPT. That's what they call controlling your whole computer from one platform. Then for Codex is mostly for our coding and people that do codings for their for tech and all of that. So you just have to ChatGPT connects with Codex. Then through ChatGPT you can prompt whatever apps you want to create, whatever website you want to create. You can prompt Codex through ChatGPT, and Codex works on it on the background. Then we have more to create images and deep searches. For images, you can do images on here. So that's literally everything about ChatGPT, and I want you also really make use of these projects, especially and apps. It's going to save you a whole lot of time, especially in the apps. It can take you to help you navigate everything you need to do all from one place. So that's all are going to talk about on ChatGPT, and I really want to see every one of you making use of it to the fullest, to the extreme. Let's make use of these tools. Like, it's even the free version, you don't even have to. So yeah, so that'll be all for today, and don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to support, and leave your comments if there's a way that you've been using ChatGPT and it has been saving you lots of working hours. Yeah, that'll be all for today. Bye bye.